everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're taking a closer look at something that's turning heads in the world of compact travel. This is the 2025 Daihatsu Motorhome. Yep, you heard that right. Daihatsu is diving into the campervan game, and they're doing it their own unique way. First off, let's talk about size. This isn't your bulky, hard-to-park RV. The 2025 Daihatsu Motorhome is built on a compact chassis, think K-truck meets tiny home. Perfect for city streets and weekend escapes. Yet despite the small footprint, it's surprisingly spacious inside, and we'll get to that in just a sec. Step inside, and you'll find a smartly laid-out interior. There's a convertible sleeping area, a fold-out kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, a mini fridge, and even a pop-top roof for standing room. Storage nooks are tucked into every corner, maximizing space for gear or groceries. Under the hood, we've got a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, modest, but efficient. It's mated to a CVT transmission and delivers just enough power for relaxed cruising and light off-road detours. Fuel economy is a major win here, averaging around 45 miles per gallon, which is nearly unheard of in the campervan world. The dashboard is clean and modern, with a 9-inch touchscreen, smartphone integration, and even a 360-degree camera system, super handy for parking in tight spots. What really sets the Daihatsu Motorhome apart is its accessibility. It's affordable, easy to drive, and ideal for first-time RV owners or solo adventurers. And with solar panels on the roof and an optional battery upgrade, it's also ready for off-grid camping. So, is the 2025 Daihatsu Motorhome your next adventure buddy? If you value efficiency, clever design, and low-key travel, this could be the micro-RV you've been waiting for. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more auto reviews on the go.